Premtobre Cassie, and our son Egusui no wani should be HYTV. Emre asu se omanyimu any amount what watson 7. And there every year Yakika Abomui, Yade Ebeba Besum say Yorke FM, HYTV, Premtobre Cassie, Cassie and some edika and edisha and a wobete, and some are edikaya wobete ebi and say. Ghana Mampanyini, a man for any Jumakobi at the Kokobo Atuanim say, was Shrawanya or Moa, now on Jumadi, I would you or Mayimuno, on Shamukena Emma Wong. Sanso and was penning for one at that Madina, Contampon, I know ever and crying Potamu has say no, or non so a home aka a jar. Yet the way any and some for a cahono, a year the pepper abasomo, say HYTV and a Yorke FM, Premtobre Cassie, a fair jebre, na ye try a waba, ye buy the Cassiamun sem, a beba abasomo. Akwaba adeshemama afe yemfa ensemu pensem yemfa emeto wanim eye dwumako a efra won ECG oya a won no wo hwe enyam kane aso e de ma oman yi ena bode ensem bi atodwa se e kamia yese temamufo a wo oman yi mu no bode ye ECG sam no e di agro obi asori a na watwe ne ayi waya ne ade no de akonete na wo twe free no e free ECG nim na won hwe ensam a ene ekwan ya wose wo faso na wo de twe kanea no na emum illegal connection ena ekoso e wo man mu enam so emasisia no ECG amayokuo no eka akoda ho e de ama wo mu enti wo hre amamu obi biara wote Ghana mayimu se so wo hwe na so obi aye illegal connection no e wo ni fie a wo hre se wo beba abebo won panimfo amane na emra a ese no woni sa nipakuo no edi
had been broken into, and so he went to the police to report. He says that whilst at the police station, some of the officers returned back and said they were looking for some people who had done illegal connection, and they pointed to him and they detained him until around 7, where the assemblyman for the area came and sought bail for him. He said the third person said he was holding his mobile phone. He was accused of trying to call somebody, and for that reason he was beaten. And so these are some of the stories they told me happened yesterday when the team came around to go through those who had connected power illegally in the neighborhood.
In some fufroso. Onyonyamfo a wono eye MP ewo Madina importem kwantempon a eno ewo enkran importem ha sei no onyonyamfo ye kamia ye se ne ho aka adwam na ye nheda nte ase se wono a wo ye MP ne ho etumi eka adwam saa na ne nyina ne se amayofo wono ewo Madina ne importem ehya ase se omo ye oyekere efiri se won kwantempon no enye enti wo ye oyekere akere oman na eno na onyonyamfo yi ekopie mu ho ene wode ensem bi etodwa kere wo mo se wonya abotre na sania aban yi edi dwumapa agu akwan mu no obeye ekwan no ede ama won na no na amanfo antini yie na obi fa telephone ene ode frem panimfo ene IGP se onyonyamfo ye kamia ye se wabeka emmebunu a waye eyekere ne ho eno nti wosoma aposifo se wonkonkofa onyonyamfo yi emfa ne mra na no kachre won se ondi won chie ne wonko efiri se wonya aboni bia na ode kokobo mom ena ema youth no se wonya abotre enti eno enye se wo se wo chi no enti no no de wonya sure se wo bedi won chi ene won akọ na wei ena opanyini adwane free ba bia wo ba be chi no de nakọ no enti sisia no ye hwehwe no se wo ba be twere aban kukum efiri se ne e wo se eye mra na e wo se wodi so no onyonyamfo yi wandi eno so
2021, the Member of Parliament for Madina, Francis Xavier Sosu, joined constituents to demonstrate over deplorable roads in the constituency. The police personnel providing security during the protest attempted to arrest him, but the constituents resisted. The Madina legislator reported the matter on the floor of Parliament, and the Speaker of the House, Alban S.K. Bagwin cautioned the police against such actions.
I myself will be issuing a statement in the near future on what is happening to members of parliament from both sides of the house. Both sides of the house. I receive complaints. I receive information about how police service, some personnel, pursue members of parliament from both sides of the house. And I have on a number of occasions intervened to talk to the authorities and to draw their attention to the law.
Almost a week after the incident, some security operatives made another attempt to arrest the Medina lawmaker at the Believers' House of Prayers ministry. The head pastor of the church narrated the incident to City News.
We invited Honorable Francis Sosu as our guest speaker, because we are in his constituency. So he came. He was preaching, whilst the ushers came to inform me that there are some security men who are here to arrest him. So I have to come out to hear from them. They said they are here to take him to the police headquarters. And I said, okay, he's preaching. Anyway, what is the issue? And can I have a look at their arrest warrant? And they couldn't provide that. And later they showed me their ID. That's two of them showed me their ID, that they are coming from the police CID headquarters. And I said, okay. Then when he finished preaching, and I will deliver the message to him, and then we can take it up from there. So when he finished preaching, and I took over to pray for him, and I saw the youth in the constituency gathering. Yeah, the number was huge, that even some of the church members had to escape because of fear.
The Medina constituency secretary for NDC, Abdul Razak Hussein, also narrated his encounter with the security personnel who stormed the church to arrest the MP.
I engaged one DSP Bwachi, who claimed he's the leader that has been sent from the headquarters to come and arrest the MP. So I asked him, can I see their arrest warrants before, if anything at all, we can allow them to pick him? He said they don't have any arrest warrants, and in any case, they are police officers, so they don't need any arrest warrant before they arrest him. And I said, no, you can't arrest a whole member of parliament without showing any arrest warrant. Then we allow you to arrest. There's no way we're going to agree to that decision. So based on that, he took out his ID card, indicating that yes, indeed, he's with the Ghana Police Service and he is this DSP Bwachi, and that they've been authorized by the regional commander and the IGP to come for the MP.
Some constituents of Medina who massed up at the church premises also spoke to the news team.
They should leave our MP alone. Exactly. If they have an issue with Honorable Sosu, they should go to the parliament. They should go to the speaker. He's going to give them a form of arrest. Exactly. He's going to give them a letter, something, anything. They should give him an invite. Sosu is not running anywhere, and we are with him. If they arrest Sosu, they arrest all of us. Exactly. If they arrest us, they arrest Sosu. So they should be careful, that's all.
They invited MP, he didn't come, so they are here to arrest him. We didn't allow them. The youth didn't allow them.
How many were they?
Who was here? Yes.
Yeah, they information to her. Emma, Medina for almost two Abaman because of Oma was Areshemu who said, Obetimia Boa Medina. I'm a Medina fan into my Befrano. Or Pia Pia, some of our moon, Doma no Muguha, or Pia Pia Baha, said a bear support to your MP, say Penapa say, or Binesha say and Betino and or Yabechi Medina for you Nara at the Ako. You didn't want Sawama, you didn't cheat. Because yene ye peno ene ye to abamano ya ho boni bia oye ye say obey demonstration say yan fix roads in Medina and famano say na be ya security threat e be come from because sa kwanya e security threat e kwanya akronfo timi twa kwan no e de ya manfo bone enti so oye we a boni be na wa ye
nti timemfo a wo Madina ena waye oye trese on hwese ye di MP no ebeko akotum se wo de won beko akotum dia ene na wo beche Madina kroman ni nyina akogum afa ye ko nsam foforo so ye nyina ye nim se coronavirus aye kodie wo yare a abesensen omanyimu ene Ghana ne afana nyina na eno ena the general director a ono ekasama Ghana Health Service at the Nsembi Atudwa Nidin at the Dr. Patrick or known was say Ghana man yimu yewo endua ba any endua bebra ye betumi ede aboa na coronavirus yare no yetumi ede etu ase efri say yentumi entra se say ye betwen na amanone yare ene ade esisi wo ho no wodi won dro no ahwe ho na ye mo de firi ho ayasanso ade bi abran yen e wo Ghana man yimu enti sisi ya no na ahia na se amanone ndro no supply no enso ye so a na ye beye den na ye hye yenso yetu ye yade yase enu nti no hre Ghana a doctor fo ne mpanimfo a wo man mu se ye nyina ye nye ko na ye mmom na ye nhwe se ye betumi aboa ne yenso ye beye endro yi bi na ye de si coronavirus ko de wo ye de ya no e wo Ghana ye man mu ha ya wai ene nsam na ebre emma kwanti no ye betwa ye ho sema na yaba ye ba ne aka nyina no ye de betoa so e de amawo afa gibre na ye twa ye ho aba
ade chemu nsem de nyankopon nanim ne mu nsem ne na de yo de minu mienu e na ya ye di huduma pa enti no nsem a esi anajo esi anumre ahomache ene de keka nyina no Yorke morning ya boa no se kasebo ebi so eye paper review ai de ba be somwo bo wode asa obe hia eye me okamafo Clement ene ma bedafo e wo Yorke morning so every Monday up to Friday eye 6 am na fe yemfa insema asi wo manim nyina emesomwo ye be kwa amama nyina so ye be kwa epuye ne atoye ba bibiara asem no hye no ye de beba na afe minu mienu ya dwendwen wo na wahu oman no ne kanko ene ne bobre ba bia asi afa Shiamen na yendwen oman no
Yamamo akwaba adeshima mamuda so etwe Yorke FM any HYTV entintan fidie no so ena yeguso ayede kase esomun afa yekọ nsam foforo so HIV yade awo oman yi mu pa na kamia yase coronavirus ne ba ye nti no sisi anu yeto no ajeje mma ye nte ho nkakra ne no ena onionyamfo a ne din ede Mr Moko wable ono ede nsem bi etodwa se HIV yade no eguso ekoso ewo oman yi mu na yare no mpempenso na asisi a ekodu no aginipa ensem enti wo hre Ghana mampanyini se omeye wonbo no mama osika no wonfa nka wonjuma wodi ne ho na ma sisi ano yade wontumi ento ase sisi ano wosese se yade no sania ekosoro no ono mpode agine nsem last year no na yade eye 18,928 na sisi ade yade no kwa na ekoso ewo oman yi mu sisi ano nipa nso oguso wowu no eye 12,758 enti no sisi ano de yade no sene nipa ewu ani enti ema ye ntenda na maye nto ya dwem se HIV yare no eni ho anase efri ho eguso ekoso na manfo nso eguso ewu enti ye nhwe ye ho yiye ewo oman yi mu ya sanso etwa ensam ne so ne ebekwa akopiam ewo brono bi a ewo Ghana mpotam a efre no adanse akrofrom eno ewo kwantempon a ekokuma sene so na border eye bola sania omamu timamfo was eho no wontumi enkra won bola yie ekwan ho ba bia na ode bola yagu nanso no na kamia ya se first no adanse akrofrom ye kro bi a na enhunidie ewo ho yie na sisia no wonte ase se bola no ekoso ema eho adane ba bia entontom edi ahrusie ene niemmoa ene yare malaria yare nyina ekoso ewo kuro yi so eno nti no wo hre aban se das bi na sisi hɔ no na sɛ enko yi a wo hire won fa bi meka ho no fa nye wo moa sɛ ne ebɛyɛ ma ekuro no ahunidie akoso ɛwɔ hɔ Jumakuo bi nso a wotu won ho asi wo sɛ wo mmra so sɛ wo yɛ adwuma na sɛ wo bɛkɔ pension a eye sika bi wɔ hɔ a ɛwɔ sɛ wɔgyegye no ɔde ma wo na ɛno ɛna onyonyamfo a wɔno ɛda saa kuo ya no ɛde nsɛm bi abɛto dwa sɛ wɔhwɛ obi biara ɛmfa ne ho njim sɛne ɛbɛyɛ a sɛ wokɔ wɔ ho megie mu na sɛ wɔyɛ adwuma yi a sika ɛda hɔ a wɔde bɛma wo na ɛnyɛ sɛ aban adwumayɛfoɔ anase wo bia wono no owo aban mu na ebetumi aboa se woko ahomegie mu a yebema no sika na emom dwumakuo biara se wo ye bibia ewo oman yi mu no eno nti na wode won ho asi ho na wate kuo no se fa ho be join ne na wo beboa wo ama wo sika sem wokọ ahomegie mu a yebeboa wo akopem time a wo betoa na nanom ewo nsie do nti dwumakuo yi aba ho ama Ghana ama sisia no enigye abayie na no wo start ya no ena na nipa 600,000 na wo join ni kuo no na sisia de nipa bebre ya de wo ho aba abedon efri se sika ewo ma wode boa ema atimamfo a wo Ghana ha na dwumakuo wodin eye MPRA won ena woto ho a sisia no wogege ntoboa edi ama obi biara obekọ ahomegiem enti no se wo be se wo tena se kwade da bi e wo se wo de ho ekọ join ni kuo yi na boa wo na wo kọ wo pensioner unya sika bi a wo bedi e wo fie na CEO kofa bai a wono eda ekuo ya no e chief executive a ne din edi Mr Herford ono ene yede dwumakuo yi aba abesi ho ama Ghana man a ye nyina yede boa enti se wo ye tere se wo ye hairdresser se wo ye beautician nia wo ye bia no sisia no ekwanya aba ho ede ama mo se mo nyina mo kọ pension e wo se munya sika bi na mo de hwefie afe yentwa ye homra na ye ba anigye kase e wo ho ye de eno nso ebetoa so e de amamo
ade chemu nsem de nyankopon nanim ne mu nsem ne na de yode minumie no e na ya ye di huduma pa enti no nsem a esi anajo esi anumre amache ene de keka nyina no Yorke morning ya boa no se kase bo ebi so e paper review ai de ba be sonwo bo wode asa obe hia eye me okamafo Clement ene ma bedafo e wo Yorke morning so every Monday up to Friday 6 a.m. na fe yemfa insema asi wo manim nyina emesomwo yebekọ amama nyina so yebekọ epoye ne atoye ba bibiara asem no hye no yede beba na afe minumie no yadwendwen ho na wahu oman no ne kanko ene ne bobre ba bia asi afa shiamen na yendwen oman no
adeshimama afe yedi enije kase nso eba abeto amoso onyonyamfo a ne din ade kwa kese ono eye musician a yenim no ewo man mu na wano na de nsem bi ato Ghana mampanyini anim se wo hre sisi ano ansori adoson ewo Ghana man mu na asofo no nso adoson eno nti wano de ne kakra a wo yese na dwenkyira wo de to man anim ne se obi biara yenim se wo yesofo ana asori biara a ewo man mu no yamfa enkrato ema won se ewo se wo boa na wotua tax ewo oman mu se ne ebeya oman mu mpuntuo ebekoso because they were ejuo bebre wo se ye ewo Ghana man mu enti sisia no asofo no nso se ne won dwuma wo di ne se wo be yosofo na wagege sika ewo asori dem no de wo susu se won so won sika no ye de bebua Ghana man a eyeyie eno nti no kwa kese a ono no da movement a eno eye abodam ano no ini nsem se no de atodwa Ghana mampanyini anim se wonhwe na woma asofo no nso entua tax ni bi na moa oman
80% na aka 20% make sense we are marking asofo ni bi be start the egume so a prophesy me but it doesn't make sense say you wo Ghana ha hwe Ghana ha o ufe odi feti ya kiosifo omugu ha ekoma nkofo kom Okome den kwafo. But osofo esi mansion, ne cars bebre, enye mansion ba kupo mansions. Ne cars bebre. Meanwhile, people are hungry. Over traffic ma kids as young as 2, 3, they are in traffic begging. That ben what is our solbia kaso make of us a homeless fuinianam ma mesi we yama wona mashon. No. So it doesn't make sense, but we are in a country where something that
I share no ono se sisia no Ghana asofo no yen nyina yen kamom na yen tuatua tax sane ebe ya ebe ma Ghana oman yi mu impuntuo no akoso na afa ye kwansam foforo so a ononyamfo a ne din de Michael Wusu a ono eyesa akode ono nso ye Ghana nwumtuni kase a waje din pa na no ena okopie abrochiman bro no bia e wo London eno no na Jackie ono nso eye nwumtuni wono nso e wo hobi na okopie ba bia Jackie recording in studio no eho ena Ghana fo edibetu dwa se ene ebem sasa akode sisi ano woni Jackie record enwum bi e dia beto abonten na no na sa akode se da bi enye sa me ne no record enwum na emom enam se ya nyina ya free Ghana man mu ni akopie amanfo froso no de e wo se me kɔ ne nkyɛn enti me kɔ ne nkyɛn ene ne kɔ hwɛ se ne ekoso e wo ni studio ho na enye se me ne no kɔ record enwum siti a na munya abotre edon so beba enti yan kɔ hwɛ se akode emre a na wo London na wo ne Jackie echi so nkakra nkra no.
So tonight I want to go live to do the 10th house with you.
What's up, baby girl? Talk to me. What's happening? What's happening?
Inside London.
Yes.
The biggest artist right now.
Yes.
Jackie in the motherfucking bitch.
You know what time it is. GH.
Ene Jackie ena yehu wo mu no se wo gi woni e wo London na brochin man mu no afa yenko agokansie news na nso na eno no ena Ghana ha sisi ane ye bo Ghana Premier League ene obi oho a wonim sasa na ekoso na nso enam se Yorke FM e wo ha se mamu ni nti no ne ye wo mu bia ye de beba abesom mu na sisi ano ye hwe GPL na scores na Accra Lion one Sharks ehyiai na wo share Shark 1 ena won so Accra Lion so share baako na Dream FC enso share baako ena Kotoko share miensa ena Gold Stars share baako woni Chelsea ne share na Chelsea anshebi na eno 11 Wonders won so anshebi won so ne Ashanti Gold ne share ena Ashanti Gold nso share won baako ena House of Oak ene Logon Cities ne share eno nso obia anshebi ena Koila onso ni Aduana Stars ne hyiaye won share baako Aduana Stars nso share baako ena Kimfesa wonso ni Wafa Champions nso ne hyiaye Wafa share anshebi Wafa anshebi na Kimfesa share won baako ena Bechem United wonso eni Mediama All Stars ne hyiaye Bechem share 9 Mediama enso anshebi wey eni Champions League no sisi ano nia eko afei kasia no aha na bre eje kwan ema ye disi na ensem adi mu akotene a wote ebi ne se Ghana ha sei no sisi anu dwumakuo bi abaha a wo hwe se Ghana obi a obekwa pension bia no obehwe se ni sikasem a oyese wodi no wo ahomegie mu no eno ebeboa no ema yede ama no afei nso Ace Commission for the atodwa se Ghana mampanyine enya wo moa na won fastika enhye dwumakuo yi mu ema won sane ebeya wo behwe se nduro ni ade ene obi a wonya HIV na wose wonom no obehwe no de ama no na wanom fefefe Wei ane nsɛm a wote ya wɔ kaseɛ yi mu a yɛde ɛbɛso mo sɛ Yorke FM ane HYTV Pramtobre kaseɛ afei no sisi an yɛde birthday wishes so ye founder a wɔno ne din de prophetess Hannah Yorke ɔno sisi ano enne day ɛyɛ na woda ɛna ne mma mienu a wɔka wɔn ho wɔn nso ɛyɛ wɔn awoda enne nea na yɛ fɛ na yɛ soronko ne sɛ sɛnea baatan yi wɔn ɛne ne mma nyina edi wɔn woda enne day na ne ho kani Mr. Samuel Sakode wɔn nso ɛbɔ n'akyi dɔm no enne ɛyɛ wɔn woda soronko paa na yɛ wish ma ɛne ne mma ne nyina happy birthday kɛseɛ paa every studio ha sei ɛne HYTV adwumayɛkuo ɛne Yorke FM ye nyina ye ka kire won se ma nyame ento nkwam no ma nkwatenten na ye nuanom na woka won ho no nso won so nyame mie wadwuru mu sonko na ma won nyansa na wode ma Solomon ni bi yesre nyame nshira enso de mama ni nabusuafo nyina enne dai se enne ye na woda kasie ye wish you happy birthday ma nyame nshira na wonya wo kasie afen so me makeup artist won me ho aye fefefe na me de ti hai ni din aye Grace Adom makeup artist fe papa wo studio ha sei ono ne waboa me amabesi ha me ho aye tetin ya me de kaseboy de brewi afen ye kwa MCR honso a empanyimfo akukudam a operate wo ho Mr. Benedict Asante ono nso ebo machidom na afa Mr. Amos Edu won nyina wo MCR ho a ene o support team ma yede kaseboy ebrel afa me producer ba ko pe Mr. Eric Obuo ono nso ewo studio ha bi wono na hwe se news no ebeba wakwan mu de amount fefefe afa Yorke FM HYTV ubenya bi ahwe ewon tenten fidie no so obo a ubehu ane se ego so kasie ya kochiri nyina de egu ho ubetumi akwa akohwe wo ho yase ye de wodo ho to yeso a okochire ko enkasro afei juma a edidi so nyina nso ye de beba abesomo me a meji adwa me de kasie boyi ebrewo me din adina nefu adazewa ubetumi afre me Atwee Rambo afei makramu
ade chemu nsem de nyankopon nanim ne mu nsem ne na de yode aminu mienu na ya yedi huduma pa enti no nsem a esi anajo esi anwumre awmache ene de keka nyina no Yorke morning ya boa no se kasebo ebi so eye paper review ai de babe somwo bo wode asa obehia eye me okamafo Clement ene mabedafo ewo Yorke morning so every Monday up to Friday 6 a.m. na fe yemfa insema asi wo manim nyina emesomo yebekọ amama nyina so yebekọ epoye ne atoye ba bibiara asem no hye no ye de beba na afe minumie no ya dwendwen ho na wahu